And the secular, the word secular, appears or refers to a few different kinds of understanding. And some part of word under the secular understand that the idea which is against to the religion. Some other thought, understanding of secular is not to follow the religion. Some other, including India, is without sectarian, respect all religion, including those who are not non-believers, include non-believers. All to all these different kinds of people, different kinds of idea need to be respected. And then, of course, we need to be respected. Respect to those people who follow this religion, that religion, or without religion, or communist, or whatever. So to all these people need to be respected. So this is the India's explanation, and India's constitution is based on that ideology or way of thinking, and the Dalai Lama is based here. Dalai Lama's thought is based on that understanding. And Dalai Lama's first visit to Europe was in 1973. At that time, he visited a few European countries, including Germany. So at that time, I was one of the organizer. That's right, organizer. And he gave also some talks. And so during these talks in the European countries, he didn't use the word of secular ethics, but the meaning applies. He applies the meaning of secular ethics in his talks. So that was he started to introduce secular ethics.